Hello, good day everyone, Raj here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share to you another ocean life up close, Eels, written by Nathan Summers. What are eels? Eels are fish that look like snakes. They use their long, thin bodies to slither through the sea. There are more than 800 types of eels. All are fierce predators. Giant moray eel, fimbriated moray eel. Eels live in every ocean. They can often be found along sandy ocean floors. Sometimes eels hide in the sand. They also make their homes in coral reefs and cracks in rocks. Species spotlight green moray eel. Lifespan up to 30 years. Depth range 0 to 164 feet or 0 to 50 meters. Green moray eel range is in pink. Marbled snake eel. Fins and fangs. All eels are covered in a slimy mucus. This protects them from harmful parasites. These fish also have long fins along their backs. Some have them on their bellies too. Their fins can be the length of their entire bodies. Identify an eel: sharp fangs, long body, and fin. Eels come in many sizes and colors. They range from 4 inches to 10.2 centimeters to more than 11 feet or 3.4 meters long. Smallest arrow eel is 4 inches or 10.2 centimeters. The largest giant moray eel is 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters long. Eels found in deep water are often gray or black. Tropical eels can be bright and colorful. Eels often unclose their mouths to breathe. This shows off their fearsome fangs. Sharp teeth and strong jaws help eels chew large prey. Some eels even have 2 sets of jaws. Fangs. Mosaic moray eel. Hidden hunters. Eels mostly hunt at night. These carnivores hide and wait for the perfect snack to swim by. Then they surprise their prey with a sneak attack. Small fish and crabs are favorite meals. Catch of the day: butterfly fish, blue crabs, common octopuses. Sea enemies includes great white sharks, great barracudas, banded sea kraits. These hunters have predators of their own too. They are no match for hungry barracudas and great white sharks. Eels stay safe by remaining hidden during the day. Sea loners. Eels are solitary creatures. They spend much of their lives alone in their shelters. Some eels like to stick together. Garden eels live in groups of hundreds. Garden eels. Female eels lay thousands of eggs at once. These eggs turn into larvae. The larvae float through the water. They eat plankton and grow. Once their fins are big enough, they swim off to hunt larger prey. Young snowflake eel. Adult snowflake eel. Larvae. There you have it, boys and girls. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment, and share my video to your friends and families. Till next time, bye!